In the videos, I'll always refer to the strings, the frets, and the fingers on your left hand by number. The strings are numbered 6 through 1. So starting with the lowest sounding string, this is number 6, and this is an E string. The next string is number 5, that's the A string. The next string is number 4, that's the D string. Next string is number 3, that's the G string. Next string is number 2, the B string. And then the last string here is the number 1 string, and that's also the E string. So both number 6, the lowest, and number 1, the highest, are both called the E string. The frets are numbered from number 1 here closest to the head of the guitar, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And your fingers are numbered, number 1 is your index finger, number 2 is your middle finger, number 3 is your ring finger, and number 4 is your pinky finger. So if I said put your first finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret, you're going to put it right here. Now the trick when you put your finger down on the frets is you want it to be up against the fret as close as possible. So you don't want to be actually on top of the fret, because then it'll buzz or sound muffled. But you want to be just slightly to the left of the fret. And you also don't want to be too far away from the fret down here, because then it'll buzz as well. So make sure that you push your finger up as close as possible to the edge of the fret. That's going to get you the best sound.